Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, or subscribe, and click on another video. Now, you know, Sir Prince Swanny get caught up. When him go Jamaica, them not let him in the country, and Trinidad police arrest him when him come back at Trinidad. Now, there's a couple different things that jumped out at me with Prince Swanny and the situation and the Trinidad police and what's going on, and I am going to talk about it. Let's go.
Them know we outside from the night until the fucking sun. Yo, Shane, let's load up all my guns. Roll up on the fence and just got the 6 months. Boosty them no bad. Boosty them no bad. Them only chat up in them wild and mean. Bad and clean. Them know we outside from the...
Well, there was a lot of comment about Prince Swanny when I put up the video, and I am a little bit torn because I was rooting for Prince Swanny. I am not even lying. He is an artist that I thought, I still think, have the potential, and he wasn't mixed up in all the bullshit. It seems like he was taking away himself from the corruption and what's going on. But with this new situation that pop up on him, now I am starting to question everything about this guy, the Z-Tech label and all of that. He was making waves because it seems like he was conquering the other Caribbean island them. Cause him sign a youth from St. Kitts. And he's doing his thing. Me hear say him buy a house at Jamaica. That's what I heard. And he's doing his thing. I always thought, no disrespect Prezi, but Prezi was the bad man. And Prezi had tried to corrupt the youth them. But it seems like all of them corrupted and crazy. So, after analyzing this thing, what I realize is that when it comes to Prezi and Prince Swanny, I get so much information and I get mixed up because really and truly I want to talk about Swanny and the update. So this Prince Swanny deported from Jamaica, part 2 and lock up. Before I go any further, I must say this. This is an update. Prince Swanny, him get bail. Prince Swanny got bail at $85,000. So now, let me go back to what I say. Cause so much things. Prezi, what I realize is smarter than Prince Swanny. Me call him Swanny. I mean, I cut it. I mean Swanny. Because Prezi has been around the block. Prezi work with politicians, you know. One time a politician was getting inaugurated, a minister, and Prezi was at the inauguration. Prezi is a man who get government contracts and all those things. So we realize Prezi is smarter than Prince Swanny. We keep on call him Swanny, but me not change it. I don't know what make me say Swanny. So him is more street rounded, more street cred, and him have more links, and in terms of more money links, as well as Prezi is a businessman. You know, so with that said, now with Prince Swanny, for the police to be on him like that, that means somebody is giving information on him. That means police is watching him. One thing that kind of struck me was the working with the Dominican police and the Trinidad police. It seems like Trinidad have a good working relationship with the Dominican police or the Dominican government. Another thing that struck me, I realized Prince Swanny has been conquering the smaller islands them with his music. Him sign a youth from St. Kitts and him have the Z-Tech label and all of that. So he's making moves. His company, Prince Swanny, put out this statement. I'm gonna put it up right now. So this statement was put out by Prince Swanny Camp. He was arrested on Friday, April 17th, and is presently detained by the Western Division Gang Unit. Like me say, him get bail. Now, in the next statement, like when I look on it right now, you see in people them are talk about the police and how the police them violate people's rights and stuff like that. With that said, I want to talk about something pertaining to rights. Now, some people made a comment that the police can't go in on your phone and this and that and whatnot. Part of the problem with that is that the privacy laws in Jamaica and Trinidad and those places, they're not really defined to a T. Because, to be frank, Trinidad move quicker in obtaining and carry out a warrant in terms of somebody to turn in them phone. Whereas Jamaica have a fucking problem with that. Cause the Issa girl kill half her kid, cut him throat, and say man hijack her car and do it. And she still haven't turned in her phone, and the judge ordered it, and she's still out and not in prison because our man named Issa. And the Issa is a big time family in Jamaica with billions and billions of dollars. So Trinidad actually moved quicker in investigation the gang thing with Swanny and getting down to the nitty gritty. For some reason Jamaica still them can't get that blood clot on the phone. But I don't want to stray from the topic. Like me say, the police, once them get a judge's order, them have the right. Trinidad privacy laws is not defined, so it's usually a gray area, but with a judge's order, the police can move to get his phone. What Prince Swanny would need to do is to challenge that again in a high court and take it from there, and that's just how the system works. With that said, I am very disappointed in Prince Swanny and the stuff that's popping up. I got more stuff to talk about him, but I'm gonna wrap it up right now. I want to big up all the subscribers, big up all the Trinidadian, the Belize and the Jamaicans them. All of the people them who support Jamaica first, country first, and support the great, one more great countryman. I want to make it clear, me have enemies out there, but me know the subscribers them will defend me. I want to make it clear, when I say Jamaica first, Me not just talk about Jamaica first, me I talk about Caribbean first, Trinidad first, Belize first. Listen, I'm a Caribbean citizen, and I feel like I have the right to speak on Trinidad, speak on Jamaica, speak on the crisis that's going on in our countries, and try to bring some kind of understanding and bring it to the forefront. I made my speech. Now, I'm gonna wrap it up. Like I said, Prince Swanny, him get bail. But when we realize the beef between him and Prezi a little bit more smarter than him in terms of street wise and street cred. A little bit more, you know what I'm saying, in Trinidad. Prince Swanny focus is going back to Trinidad and kind of conquering it. I think him kind of have the wrong approach. I am going to compare him to a Jamaican artist, but me I leave that for another video. And like me say, Prince Swanny, me I go watch this case and see what's coming out of it. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out, and more coming on Prince Swanny. Alright? On Jamaica.